I just wanted to make a quick video on how I made my little Goldendoodle pixel art GIF that I made for my previous video. This was my low effort attempt to just put a cute little in-game looking version of the dog that I was talking about. So I wanted to get some inspiration from Pinterest, and I tried to make sure it didn't have a AI modified tag. So I went into my settings and just turned off all of the AI content recommendation toggles. Hopefully it will reduce the amount of AI pins it shows me. Let me see if I can find one. So I like this pin. I like the style of the pin. I don't need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't need all 5 Bernese Mountain Dogs, of course. I just like the one without the collar. And then I found this pin of a Goldendoodle reference. I really like this one because I like the body shape and I really want to try to reference the fluffiness. Alright, now that I have my references, and then I just did a little speed draw. I had like a lighting in my brain. Like, I guess the direction the lighting was facing the dog because I wanted the pixels to look fluffy in a way. And the fluffiness I actually struggled with the most with this design, but I'm glad I figured it out. I also actually used the ink from the actual like photo so I could just closely match like his fur color. And then he has like a sand hazel eye color, but because I chose blonde for his fur, I just went with a light green. And then I went ahead and started creating other variations. So it looks like he's moving. I wanted to create different expressions. Like I wanted him to look like he was rejecting me or rejecting just, I don't know, whoever the dog's interacting with. And then I, of course, wanted to make that transition that now he has accepted the person he was rejecting. I did the traditional tongue sticking out, happy to see you type of expression. Even this dog looks happy. And yeah, that's how I made my little Goldendoodle GIF. I am gonna be making more dog story videos, and I will of course be making more pixel dogs to match with the dog I'm talking about in each video. With the whole, like, everything being AI and people jumping to conclusions and pointing fingers at artists for using AI, it feels kind of mandatory to prove how you did your work these days. I wouldn't call myself an artist, but this is just my way of documenting my work at least. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.